All right, today I want to talk to you about a new adventure I'm starting. This is from this book. It's by Nicolas Laoureux, Violin Method, which consists of 4 parts. And this is a supplement to part 2. So it's not part 2 book. Don't confuse it with that. It's part 2 supplement. There's a separate book that's called part 2, and it has different exercises, but they're related to what's happening in this book. This is supposed to supplement the part 2 book, and it's just etudes and exercises that are kind of put together for different, improving different positions, playing in positions. So the book looks like this. Let's try. The book can be ordered from the publisher. You can email them and request that you wanted to purchase the book from Shermer in New York. I had trouble finding it online for some reason, and I guess nobody posted it online, and so I purchased the book from the publisher. I will be posting the PDFs at my Patreon site. So those of you who subscribed to my paid Patreon page will have access to the PDFs of the etudes I'm playing here. First, we're going to do the exercises. And now let's do the etude. As you can see, the whole etude is in third position, and you're supposed to be using the whole bow. He makes a note in the beginning, use the whole bow. Of course, I'm doing a walkthrough of this etude at my Patreon site as well as my YouTube membership site, and I invite you to join either one of those sites to see more detailed approach on how to study this and other etudes. Thank you very much for considering, and thank you for your support.